I am at a stay away job. We are about to go and have a look at it. I went and looked at it yesterday. It's overgrown. The footings have been sat there for a long time with legal stuff going on backwards and forwards, I think, with neighbours. So they've finally got the go ahead. I've got me and Tyler and a lad called Sam with me. Me other boys are doing some subs somewhere else. We're getting the subs up for this plot. It's very big. Yes, that is a sub behind me. It looks more like a jungle. Tyler's on the mixer. Sam, say hello.
Hello.
Sam is giving me a hand. Sam's giving me a hand. We have, yeah, and here is the subs that we are doing. Just getting the laser level set up now. Just gonna have a little check, see how we're getting on. I have got some profiles that I have been using. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably have seen me using them already. Great bit kit. Don't usually use them for 2 or 3 course a block, but they're so quick to set up. It seems, you know, I could just set my profiles up, put the laser on it, mark it up, away you go. Good.
Very much bang on there.
Nice.
Very much bang.
Yeah. Well, he's just been down a few sides, and we're good. Yeah. I was actually quite surprised. It's actually really good. Huh? Bang on as well there. Nice. Well done. The client done the subs, done the footings. He seems to have done a good job. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous when he said he done them. All right, sweet. Stick a block on the top for me. Nice one, and this one over there, it's done. We've got the first mix of the whole job. Tyler's made a lovely job of it as per usual. Go on Tyler, get that out there boy. Go on son. Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. She's lovely, let's go. Get me lawnmower out. Right, so we're all set up, we're all laser leveled up. Now, if you notice with this, it's twisted. So what we do is just turn this like that, Done. Lovely. Yeah, I did. I thought you was using my Sharpie. I was about to go mad. Don't use a Sharpie on my profiles. There's them. Oh, there.
You got it?
What we got? 675. Oh. Yeah. We need some blocks down here, lads.
Get them loaded up down here, right?
Yeah, just here, look. No, we want them ones there. There's another pack there, look, to start bringing over, yeah?
You bring them over now.
Yeah, start bringing them over, mate. 36. Oh, look at that, look. A few different things, depending on what I'm doing, really. But, yeah. Yeah, it is pretty much the one I use a lot of the time. We've just had to stop where we are at the minute. We have got more to go on that, but we're waiting for a few materials to be delivered. We've got some 140 wide concrete bricks because our finished height is another block, and a briquette. So we need to also allow for our vents. So we're waiting for some concrete lintels. So we're just going to go around like this today everywhere, and we'll just drop back and finish off once the materials have turned up that we need to do it. We've just got a curved wall over here, which is really easy because the site engineer come out on site and put pins in. Right, we're just going to take this section on next. Got a profile set up there. I'm going to ping a line right through. I'm going to work from that way round this way. The engineer has set some pins for me round all the way around. Well, we did have the pins in there till Tyler scraped them all out with the shovel. Alright, it weren't a bad day in the end.